you have money to burn? If not, you need to know that the paper dollars you're invested your life savings in are being consumed right now in a growing blaze of inflation and declining value. Economists know why the dollar is burning and at risk of crashing. It's because politicians and central bankers keep printing them. And this makes the dollars you've worked so hard for worth less and less. The politicians and bankers hated the gold standard because it forced them to be honest. That's why the US dollar keeps losing value and could soon crash. The good news is that you can create your own personal gold standard and keep your savings protected when the dollar crashes. Call or visit online now. Find out more about the best performing assets of the 21st century from the best company in the country, Swiss America. Driving force number 3 is the long-term bull market in commodities and precious metals. According to industry experts, a typical secular or long-term bull market in commodities lasts 15 to 23 years. Using 2001 as a starting date, this bullish trend may continue until 2024. Morgan Stanley, the world's largest securities firm, recently said, "The commodities supercycle isn't over, and prices may rise because of production shortages." Well, during the last major commodities bull market a quarter century ago, gold rose from $35 an ounce to $850 an ounce. Then prices corrected back to $300. Using that same ratio, gold prices could rise from $265 an ounce to over $5,000 an ounce, and then correct back to $2,000. So the good news is, if you've waited until now to get started, it's not too late. Between 2001 and 2006, precious metals and many gem-quality U.S. coins have more than doubled in value. Experts say that's just phase 1 of a 15 to 20-year bull market cycle. In 2007, gold rose above $625 an ounce, signaling the beginning of phase 2. Now, during this exciting and sometimes volatile phase, Swiss America believes gold, silver, and gem-quality coins could double or triple again. And they're not alone. Over 3 dozen highly respected economists and gold experts are all projecting gold prices to rise well beyond $1,500 an ounce. Here's a quote from the Future of Gold, Swiss America's 25th anniversary newsletter. "People shouldn't be surprised to see gold trade in the 4 digits. A target of $1,700 is what investors should be thinking about. Investors should worry less about whether this is a particular good or bad moment entry point and ponder the implications of sailing through uncharted waters without a lifeboat." Let's do a quick review of what Swiss has reported to the media about the 21st century gold rush so far.
Craig Smith, he's the CEO of Swiss America. What the value of this coin would be?
Well, at today's market value, with gold at $280 an ounce approximately, it's worth about $290 an ounce. That's a gold bullion coin, which trades for the price of gold plus a small premium for manufacturing it from a 400-ounce bar into 1-ounce increments. In the case of numismatic coins, however, early American gold coins, the premiums are substantial over their value in gold because of their rarity, their beauty, their history. Matter of fact, you have there an 1865S $20 gold piece from the Brother Jonathan wreck. It was a ship that went down. And that coin has a value way in excess of what we just discussed. Right. Supply and demand. When there's no supply, which is the case in the numismatic coins, and the demand keeps increasing, you see higher prices. If a huge amount of product came on the market tomorrow, we'd obviously see prices drop. And in light of what's been happening in Wall Street recently with some of the questionable accounting practices, put more money into the tangible area because they don't have to depend upon an accountant or a CFO or somebody to give them the information to know where their values are. Coins, they make a market on them literally 6 days a week, 24 hours a day around the country. And you can walk into over 5,000 coin shops and coin dealers, national brokerage firms like ourselves, plunk a coin down on the table and walk out with a check. Or if you've mailed them to, say, a company like us, we'll do a bank wire. They're extremely liquid.
Where many people are starting to look at gold again as a small alternative to diversify their portfolio, maybe 5 or 10%. Everybody agrees that ultimately gold is money. It's been sought after for thousands of years by various civilizations. And now when we live in this age, Susan, where currencies are fluctuating and there's so much uncertainty, gold has become very attractive again.
For years now, I've been singing the praises of one of the most recognized and trusted names in gold, Swiss America. They believe, like I do, that people need to know what's good about gold. Gold has withstood the test of time, and so has Swiss America. Now's the time to rediscover gold, because gold offers diversification, profit potential, and best of all, privacy. Call or visit online now and ask for the Pat Boone DVD. Call or log on right now.
Now let's look at 4 different types of gold worth considering. There are many options available to gold investors, depending on your appetite for risk. For lower risk, there's physical gold bullion bars and coins, U.S. numismatic coins, and Wall Street's latest invention, gold and silver exchange-traded funds, known as ETFs. And for those willing to take even more of a risk, there are gold mining stocks and the options markets. Let's discuss the pros and cons of each of these options. Number 1, bullion. Bullion bars and coins offer a solid precious metal hedge from financial uncertainty and offer instant liquidity worldwide. Popular U.S. coins would include gold, silver, and platinum, American Eagles, and the new gold American Buffalo coins. Bullion gold coins are minted by the millions and are usually available in 1 ounce, half ounce, quarter ounce, and 10th ounce weights. Bullion prices can be volatile due to short-term speculation by the major funds. We recommend bullion coins for a core position in precious metals. Number 2, U.S. numismatic coins. Numismatic or collectible coins include popular American classics such as the $20 Liberty and $20 St. Gaudens gold coins, and the famous Morgan silver dollars. Gem quality gold and silver coins are traded daily worldwide based on their scarcity, condition, and market demand. Unlike bullion, numismatic coins are 100% private. U.S. rare coins have historically outperformed bullion coins because of their very limited supply and ever-growing demand. The only caution on numismatic coins is that you should plan to hold them for at least 3 to 5 years. Swiss America trades all forms of bullion coins and U.S. numismatic coins, and they help their clients to find the right diversification.
Trust is very important, especially when it comes to doing business with financial professionals like bankers and stockbrokers. Now, Swiss America has done their homework and they know gold. They have a 30-year track record of inspiring Americans to rediscover gold for safety, privacy, and profit potential. They put together a new educational DVD with all the important information that you need to know about gold and silver. Call toll-free or visit online.